It's April, and we're all bundled up, and we are going out in the snow. Go ahead, open the door.
Do we gotta push it down?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. No.
Snow! Here's our garden, all snow covered.
No, not too much snow.
What do you think, Cash?
Mom. See
What
snow.
do you think, Tessa?
It's snow.
It's snow. Let's pull that hat down a little bit. There you go.
No, at you.
You gonna throw snow at me? Eee! Sure. April 9th. Here's the rest of our plants we're growing. These are our pumpkins, radishes, cucumbers, something else.
I got some.
Eee! You got me!